Here we do have a question in equalities and polynomials. If x is a positive integer such that x minus 1 times x minus 3 times x minus 5 and so on till x minus 93 is smaller than 0, how many values can x take? Pause the video for a second, have a go, and then come back. Alright, let's have a look at this together. The first thing we notice here is what we have is product. So basically what we have A times B times C times D and so on. And it has to be smaller than 0. So this product will be negative if an odd number of factors is negative. So for example, if A is negative, but the other ones are positive. Or instead of 1, if 3, A, B, C are negative, but D is positive. So that is the first thing we have to know. So odd number of negative factors. The second thing we have to notice here is if for x we put in 1, 3, 5, and so on, then the whole product will be 0. So these are not possible values for x. Right, let's write this out a little bit. So from the end, so the factors which we have, for example, is 89 times, so a lot of factors before, 89 times x minus 91 times x minus 93. So x is a positive integer, so x has to be within the range of, the smallest one we can put in is 1, the biggest one we can put in is 92, because if it's above we won't have any negative values, so let's say 93. Okay. Let's start. So 93 is not an option, we said here already, because otherwise the product is 0. So we can put in 92. If we put in 92, yeah, that works. Then only this one here is negative. One factor is negative, everything else is positive. That works. 91 doesn't work because, again, it's an odd number of x. What about 90? So if we put 90 in, then we have 2 factors that are negative, so the whole thing will be positive. That is not an option either. What about 88? So 89 doesn't work, 88. Then we have 1, 2, 3 factors which are negative. Yeah, that works. Okay, and we already see the pattern here. So the next one would be 84, 80, and so on and so forth. So in total we have, so every 4, we have 92 over 4 different integer values for x, which is 23 different ones. Correct answer is therefore B, 23.